Oftentimes you hear people post reviews and see people post reviews about skins on phones. So the longest I've had a skin on a phone is the Galaxy Note 8, and I had that skin on there and the same tempered glass for a year and a half, almost 2 years, before I sold it as is with the skin on it and the tempered glass. So this Sopiguard has been on this phone for a little while, and believe it or not, I decided not even to do the hairdryer thing. I just put it inside of a case for a day or two, and then now I don't even wear a case on this device because it's that good. I genuinely like Sopiguards for that reason. Not just Sopiguards. Let me just go ahead and be a little honest here. Yes, these are all Sopiguard skins that I rock with now. However, I've learned that most skins that I've come across, there's nothing wrong with dbrand's quality. Let's just keep it real. Slick wraps, that's another story. But there's nothing wrong with dbrand's quality of their skins. Let's be fair. Their skin quality is pretty good. However, I like Sopiguard the best for a number of reasons. I've gone over that. And slick wraps, no way. So, this skin's been on here for a while now. It's been on for a while. There's no peeling of the corners. It goes in and out of tough cases and stuff like that. There's nothing going on in the corner. It's not peeling. I'm not having any issues. It's just a great skin. This is one of my favorites, obviously, the honeycomb. And then I recently started testing out this new forged carbon, which is absolutely beautiful. Another Sopiguard skin. But skins, some people, you end up taking them off sometimes if they start to go bad and lift and things like that. That's going to go down to how you're putting it on originally. And I really recommend that you guys take your time when you're doing your skins and put them on. Now, if you just really want to make sure they stay, definitely use the hairdryer. Use a hairdryer, heat it up once you get it in position, and heat it up and put it on there, man. Seal it up so, it's not coming off and, lifting. But my experience with Sopiguard for like extended use, it's really good, man. There's no sales pitch or anything like that. This is a good quality skin, and they're affordable. They've got carbon fiber skins on their website for like $5, folks. You can grab multiple skins for real. The Sopiguard skins, now this one hasn't been on that long, maybe 3 weeks, maybe. I'm not sure when I put this on. But I'm not having any problems with lifting. Just put the skin on right, and you should be good, folks. You should be good. You should be hot. I mean, it's gonna do you right. I really enjoy Sopiguard skins, man, and it just all the more reason why I just choose not to wear cases around the house. I really like skins on phones because I can get some grip out of it without making the device all bulky around the house. And furthermore, when I go outside, some people just don't wear cases at all. They put a tempered glass on, a white stone dome, and then they put on a skin or whatever tempered glass they want to put on, and boom, they're done. So, quick updated video on the longevity of skins. The longest that I've had a skin on a phone was the Galaxy Note 8, like I said before, and I had it on for almost 2 years, and I had no problems with it. I don't anticipate having any problems with these skins, because obviously this phone is actually up for sale. I just put it up for sale on Twitter for $625 shipped if you're in the U.S. There's no particular reason why I'm selling it other than I want to get the other device, the one that's coming out. That's it. It's no big deal. It's nothing wrong with the phone. It's a great phone. If I don't sell it, I just don't sell it. I'm just going to keep it and still get the other phone. But anyway, skins. Who doesn't like skins? If you don't want to wear a case, especially on big phones like these, man, these are some big phones. You're gonna have to get a skin because these are also slippery phones. I put skins on phones to preserve the quality of the product. When I go outside, I put my case of choice on. Right now, it's this case right here for the Note, and then the case for the OnePlus has been my Rinky Fusion X at the moment. I do have a Rinky Fusion X for this case, for this phone too. But skins, man, I recommend. I used to watch MKBHD's videos a long time ago when he was talking mainly about skins. Like he hates cases, and there's nothing wrong with that. I prefer to have my phones naked too, but phones today don't have any grip on them, so a skin gives it a fresh new look, and then you get some grip. There's tons of grip with this skin on here, especially this skin. This one has a flat, matte, grippy feel to it. It's hard to explain, but these skins, folks, are absolutely beast mode. Another thing I want to discuss before I get out of here is this wallpaper. Go to my Twitter at Mr. J.L. Williams, and you will find this wallpaper. It's just some wallpaper I downloaded online. I liked it. That's it. It's nothing unique to me with this wallpaper. I just like this wallpaper. So I put it on the phones. I think it looks better on the Note of all the phones. So anyway, I've said that. Skins, I think Sopiguard is going for the win for me. Again, I've tried multiple skins from all the skin manufacturers. I've tried them. Sopiguard has proven to me to be the best to rock with. So, you know, I'm Jay Williams, and I approve this message. I'm out.